Hey, this is Eric, and I'm going to show you my ARM Motorsports charge pipes on my 2021 BMW M2 Competition. So the one item I mentioned was this issue of contact between the rear charge pipe and the strut tower. Just to show you where we are here. So that it touches the foil insulation there. The foil insulation does crush back a little bit, and I pushed it back. That is with it pushed back in. I don't know if you can see that it's bent in, but it is bent in. I put a piece of foil tape on there just to try to keep the silicone itself from rubbing on that foil, that insulating foil. And eventually what I'd like to do is replace it with an adhesive pad of some kind of fabric or felt, and that would probably safely keep it off there and keep all the wear to the pad and keep the pipe intact. So not a big deal, but I figure if the engine's going to be rocking under acceleration, deceleration, it's probably going to rub a little bit. So that is part one. Okay, part two is just to show where the spacer ended up. I put it on this back post. I'm assuming that's where it belongs. I can't imagine it would go on this other post here, because if it's on that post, the cover would be raised up so high that this back post would not have a chance to engage with the engine cover. So hopefully that's the right spot. So could it be a little higher? Sure. How much higher? Maybe double that height for me. But okay, I'm going to put the cover on and show you what's going on. Okay, with the cover on right now, that looks perfect, right? Well, the issue is that back corner is not engaged. This is just the front two posts engaged. This back one is not. I'll lean on this and engage it. Now it's engaged, and you see how close it is to the top of that pipe, and it's Dremel'd right into the horizontal piece of plastic there. So without dremeling any of this, I had to Dremel off a good 1/4 of an inch of the right corner on that arch, because if I didn't, it was literally indenting the pipe when I tried to engage it. So I knew that was not a good situation. So I didn't mind dremeling it. Especially, I made it look fairly decent. So, okay. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about was, in regards to the first issue, that charge pipe contacting the strut tower. Even BMW on their stock pipe had fitment issues, because you can see where on the stock pipe it narrows down. So unfortunately, the silicone charge pipes are all cylindrical all the way down, which I get, it's efficient for airflow, but it causes some clearance issues, which a BMW addressed by flattening out those pipes into a very pancaked oval shape there before it comes back up to where it would connect to the intercooler and it gets more round. So okay, hope that helps. If you guys need anything else, let me know.